Show the gun, dude. T-minus 20. Now we're down to 10.
Hell no, bro. I need more than fucking 20 seconds.
Sucks to suck. Running back, running back. What's wrong with it?
Only shoots like if you're aiming downwards.
He's got to wind it up enough.
Okay, you can sit here.
So you just gotta. If it,
You gotta rub its clit?
yeah, you just gotta rub the fuck out of the clit.
Finally!
Oh!
Enough! Oh! Why? Why did you do that?
Oh shit!
South of my location.
I ain't got no compass. Where from the cabin?
South of where I'm from.
So behind you, motherfucker. Oh, he's hit. I cover the mirrors, boy. Juke him out. Oof. Get off me. What? Oh, I'm out. Why is it not going? Oh, damn. We're out of ammo. Again. Where'd you go?
Where are you, motherfucker?
Yeah, where are you? Oh, there you are. I see you. I want to let you know I'm on my last, like, 10 bullets.
Me too. Everybody. Easy there. You're not gonna hit me while I'm standing behind this tree here, Justin.
That was a lot of ammo I just used.
All your ammo, aren't you?
I bet you only got 10 shots in that gun, Adam. It's gonna ricochet and hit my fucking shit. You hit my boot? You hit my boot? The fuck? I was like, what the fuck just hit me? I had a lot of ammo left.
It's around the river bend. See, when I'm
gonna aim for your fucking nose piercing. That's what I'm gonna aim for.
Oh, really? I'm gonna aim for your fucking dick.
You gotta hit me right on my urethra so the ball goes in.
Oh
my god. Dude, did I
Dude, you got burrs all over your sweatpants.
You got what?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's part of my camo.
Apparently.
Is it recording right now?
Yeah.
Name's Ghost. I've got 176 confirmed kills. Name's Gabe.
I suck cock for a living behind the alleyway.
66 confirmed cocksucker.
Thanks. Can you eat some chicken and suck some dick?
Yeah.
Look!
Ow, fucking thorns, bitches. Just cut the shit out of my face.
The wilderness must be explored.
Oh shit. Fire, fire, fire. Fire! Fire! No, wait, why the fuck is that? You mean crossfire? Oh shit!
Fuck! Hey! Dude, fuck off!
Where did he hit you?
My head on my fucking knee.
What the fuck?
I literally see your face. Fuck.
I really want to see. I really want to see.
Why
that.
resume the recording? Like I said, we'll look over them when we're
I
done.
really want to see it like right now.
No.
Like,
Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now.
bro, do the Michael.
Move!
Michael.
Oh yeah. This is fucking perfect.
Hit me in the back of the head.
What?
Hit me in the back of the head.
Dude, that shit hurts, dude.
No fucking shit. Time out, Dustin.
I know what happened.
I think Gabe forgot to put in the fucking P90 magazine, so he's just running out without any fucking ammo.
No fucking way.
Swear to God, bro.
You you figured that
I
out.
was laying right there and
Dude,
you
no,
fucking...
I knew the whole time we were fighting. I was just like, I hope he doesn't notice I'm not shooting anything at him.
You better fucking catch it. You ready? It's gonna go high. Ugh! You fucker. They just walked right past me. This thing is fucking shit. fuck, man. I don't think I'm shooting anything. Hold on. Fuck. I guess you win. Dude, my gun just stopped shooting. Yeah, I don't know what it was. How did you see me? Did you know where I was the whole time?
We saw you run this way, and then I was like, I told Gabe, I was like, I'm gonna hide behind. I was like, I'm gonna hold position at the ditch. Then I was sitting there fucking talking to him. I knew I should have went there.